Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to whip up a Green Supreme Keto Elixir, a delightful and nutritious concoction that's perfect for anyone on a ketogenic diet. Ingredients: fresh spinach leaves, avocado, coconut milk, make tea oil, medium-chain triglycerides, lemon juice, a pinch of salt. Start by adding a generous handful of fresh spinach leaves to your blender. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Next, scoop out the creamy goodness of half an avocado. Avocado adds healthy fats and a wonderful creaminess to our elixir. Now, let's pour in some unsweetened coconut milk. It's a fantastic source of healthy fats and gives our elixir a tropical twist. For an extra dose of ketogenic energy, add a drizzle of make tea oil. This helps keep you in ketosis and boosts your brain power. To balance the flavors and add a zesty kick, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the mix. A tiny pinch of salt enhances the flavors and helps replenish electrolytes, important on a keto diet. Now, blend all these wonderful ingredients until you have a smooth and vibrant Green Supreme Keto Elixir. Look at that gorgeous green color. Pour your elixir into a glass or a mason jar. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like